Tonight on the Roadhouse, we got part 8 of the Jeep JKU on 1 tons. Let's get it started. Okay, it's a week later. Still extremely happy with the Raptor liner. Put some stuff in. So until I've been really busy on the dash. Threw the dash plastic on top of it just to keep it out of the side of my shop, so not everything's in there correctly. I just but the dash is in, the frame is in, and all the wiring is in. I just have to move a few things around here and there. Those aren't in there permanently yet, as far as the gear shift and the emergency brake. As you can tell, I've been in here quite a bit. Put the stereo, speaker bar in. Rear taillights are all wired. As far as what's wired, I think I got like probably 80% of it as far as the doors, dash and everything in, as far as wired and everything. HVAC is in. Put a fender on. I mean, this stuff looks great. It really looks great. Really happy with the Raptor liner. This is the second part, I guess. This is a week after I put it all in, or I sprayed it, so really looks great. Hopefully I'll have everything in the next couple of weeks as far as the wiring goes, and then I'll go from after I get all the wiring in, and I'll put everything in, the HVAC and stuff. I'll get all the wiring in, and once I get all the wiring in, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the dash together. I probably won't put the steering column in yet because I've got a lot of other stuff to do. Plus, I'm going to put the PSC system in the front, and I don't have a gearbox in the front. So I'll be buying that $800-something gearbox. Looks good. All right, it's been a week. This Raptor liner is awesome. I don't know if you can see it here, but I mean, it is really done really well. If you're looking to do this stuff, I would highly recommend it. I mean, I did everything. Came out awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I've put some stuff back in the Jeep, and I'm debating on whether taking these fenders back off, because I'm going to spray the outside of these fenders as well. I'm going to do the whole outside at one time. That'll be another video down the line. But this Raptor liner is really nice. Came out really well. I'm going to do the whole outside of the Jeep again. All this will be covered up. The cowl will cover this, so I'm not doing this again. And there'll be a fender out here, and a hood, of course. And I'll be doing the doors. Show you how this came out. I've already got a lot of stuff back in the Jeep. Dash is about ready to go back in. I put the carpet in there because I got all my tools and stuff. I don't know if I'm going to even be using the carpet whatsoever at all. But I put it back in there because I've been throwing my tools around in there. And like I said, Raptor liner will cover some of your scratches and stuff. You know, when you throw your Raptor or your etching primer and stuff on it. But I just shot this just to get it covered, because I'm probably not going to be spraying the whole entire Jeep until spring. So just to cover it up. I did the whole entire roll bar. This came out fabulous. I don't know how many people has done it as far as I have, as far as this goes. You know, the whole inside, the whole outside's going to be done. Inside of my fenders have been done. The door jambs. Makes the door sound pretty solid too when you shut it. As far as Raptor liner, I would definitely do this again. This is really sweet. Okay, I've got most of the wiring figured out. I'm guessing these are airbags, airbag wiring. Let me show you the little. And this is the compass module. So I'm guessing it goes up in here somewhere. These are the windows. This goes to the heater. This goes to the lighter. This goes to the back of the control panel. Well, where you got your SLP and all that type of stuff. That's what this is right here. Those over there are going to the dash, to the instrument cluster. If you're going to have one of these is this is your antenna, and this goes to the satellite radio, which circles down through here, pops up right here. Whoops. So that's that. And there's your satellite. Got a lot done today. Learned a lot. Internet. How I got a lot of this stuff out is I'd go to the part number. That one's upside down, but I'll say you want to find out what that part is right there. I go by that P number, and then I'd find out, I'd look it up on the internet, and it would tell me what the part is. So all these parts, there's your P68 185 855AB. That's the part number you're going to look at up on the internet, and it's going to tell you what it is. And you know, like I found the control module, it goes to the left of the radio. The compass module goes to the left of the radio. So that's how I kind of figured out most of this stuff. This stuff I didn't figure out. I mean, because a lot of this stuff, the wires are curved to the exact specifications. These clips only clip on in certain locations, so it brings everything to an area. So you got all these clips, a lot of them through here. You just follow it up. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, and it's going to come out pretty good. But that's what I'm doing today. I'm not expecting to, you know, I'll probably end up having to rip all this stuff out, but I just want to get it all in. I don't have any speakers for it yet, all that type of stuff. That's nil compared to what I need to do. But this is it as far as, did put the carpet back in. I don't know if I'm going to keep the carpet in the Jeep or not, but at least I'll be able to protect me, you know, crawling through here and, you know, all this type of stuff. So it's a lot more comfortable on my back. A little hiccup I've had so far, the only one I've really had on the wiring is these doors. And I'm guessing my doors are from maybe a 2012 or 13, and all my wiring is from a 2015. So the doors, the door plugs don't work or don't fit, but I do have these door plugs, the rest of it, so I can you know, splice it in or wire it in or change out the wiring on these doors if I can. So that's the only main issue that I've had. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this thing. This thing's gonna be badass. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her up wet.